Hey guys, welcome to Helpful Solutions. This is Bose Speaker, not turning on. So first one is check power source and ensure the power cable is securely connected to both the speaker and a functional power outlet. And also you could reset the speaker. So unplug the power cord and wait for 30 seconds, then reconnect it, and a two-tone chime should indicate the reset. Now another one is battery protection mode. So if the speaker's battery is fully drained, it may enter protection mode. So connect it to a power source for at least 15 minutes before attempting to turn it on. The fourth one is firmware update. So outdated firmware can cause operational issues. So connect your speaker to a computer and visit the Bose Updater to check for and install any available updates. There you go. See ya.